Here is a side-by-side comparison of MAC Velvet Teddy with the new MAC Warm Teddy. I finally managed to get my hands on the new Warm Teddy. I have been eyeing this beauty for some time now. Here you can see the package looks so luxurious. This comes in the traditional MAC Bullet lipstick, but yes, this looks a bit different from the other MAC lipsticks that I have. This has this MAC on steel, whereas the old ones had MAC on the bullet itself. Here you can see them side by side. The right one is Velvet Teddy and the left one is the new Warm Teddy. Let's open this beauty. Wow, look at this. This comes in the traditional sleek bullet lipstick. Here you can see this. It feels so luxurious. And here is the traditional MAC Velvet Teddy. I keep calling it traditional, but this is MAC Velvet Teddy on the side. Here they are side by side. And then I'm going to swatch this on my hand. I don't know, the recording stopped, but here is Warm Teddy, the new one on my hand. And then this is Velvet Teddy. I'm going to swatch this on the side. Here it is. You can see the new Warm Teddy is a bit on the brown side, whereas Velvet Teddy is a bit on the pink side. I don't know what happened. It's not focusing. Let me fix this. Here you can see the right one is Warm Teddy, left one is Velvet Teddy. Here you can see the close-up. Tell me which one you like more. Please subscribe for more. I'll be comparing Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top Medium with this one next.